How's it going in here? Getting used to it? Not. So, we're meant to be going into the cradle there. Got to help with fenders because it's pretty narrow. So, let's see how we go. Ah! I like that. Hi, you two. What are you doing?
This is our first sail.
Hot one, but
was it
fluid filled.
not put on properly?
I don't think so. I'd say it's just moisture, solvent entrapment under the copper coat. Right. So between the undercoat and the actual copper coat south, right, there's fluid. Right here, see all these little twisters?
Yeah.
See how they've all popped here?
Yeah.
So that isn't fouling, that's a lack of copper coat.
Yeah, right.
It needs to be stripped off. It's copper coat shit.
Is it?
Yep.
Wasting your time?
Yep.
So yeah.
So these will... copper coat lasts 11 years.
Right. So if it was put on properly, it might
So
work.
when they put it on, the applicators, the guy that's doing it, or the people that are doing it, they need, typically they'd moisture test the hull, so they'd strip it right back, and they put a moisture meter on it. The hull has to have a certain moisture content to allow them to do it.
Low enough.
Low enough. Yeah. So this has probably been done from new, so it shouldn't be a moisture problem. What it is, it's either a solvent entrapment. With the solvents reacting, turning into like a glycol.
Right. Okay.
But yeah, I mean, you probably get a year out of it. But we should go back on the broker and say, hey, look, this isn't good enough.
Yeah, that's the problem.
It really should be stripped.
Yeah.
And that comes in.
Yep.
Oh yeah, for sure.
And so we'll talk to Jake when he comes down about those props and the dezinkification.
Yep. Oh no, I mean that's what we're here for. That's what we got you for.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
The fluid coming out of it. Yeah, so that's
Yes. No, out of curiosity.
probably another one.
Yeah.
If you, it's like a glycol, like a sickly pungent, and your fingers get sticky.
Yeah.
So
Combination of what, water and
So
some sort of...
water, when it's entrapped like that, if it's solvent, it turns into glycol.
Yeah.
So glycol sticks in the water on the outside of the boat. It's the very start of, like, to a degree. It's not osmosis where it gets inside the laminate, but it's sitting, that glycol is acidic.
Yeah.
So it's the acidity that will break down the gel coat and get into the...
Wow, not even osmosis.
Not even,
it's
we call it solvent entrapment at the moment. But, you know, that copper coat will last, you know, for the rest of the season, but I would get rid of it. Yeah, we'll get Jake to talk about it too, but prop speed, see how pink that is, that's actually corrosion. Prop speed is a
I know what it is. Yeah. It's sort of an orangey colour.
yellow,
Yeah,
gold.
Yellow, gold,
Yeah, but once Jake comes down, we can talk about all this. But typically, when this bronze dezinks, you get that pinking. That's actually weak. Yeah, so it needs a bit of work. The sail drives, you can also take these right back to the alloy and put prop speed on them as well.
Yeah.
So just got to keep an eye on these pins that hold these blades in. They can flog out, so every time you come out, just give the blades a little shake, and there shouldn't be stuff all movement, but a little bit there, but that's okay. Bit of movement in that bearing.
Okay.
Yeah.
You would expect it having come all the way from France, wouldn't you?
Yeah. But typically these rudder stocks,
Yeah.
they're a 316 stainless steel.
Right.
316 stainless steel doesn't like being encapsulated in moist environments.
Yeah.
You'd really want a 2205 stainless,
Right.
but that's how they make them.
Yeah.
It would be nice to drop the, well, we can't today, but it would be nice to drop them out and see what the stocks actually look like,
Right.
because they have been known to corrode. And that vertical movement, there's just a shim, there's an adjustment up at the tiller head.
To stop the vertical
stop that,
movement. Yeah.
Which hull are you and Jake? What about up and down, Jake? Yeah, that needs adjusting. See that?
I can hear it.
Heaps of movement. You can hear the rudder taking up on the steering linkage inside.
Oh,
So
really?
this is a split hull
Yeah.
out of the mould. So
Wow.
some brands have this moulded in.
Sorry, so the hull's in two halves, is that
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
So as far as I'm aware, the Fontaines, they glue them on because they're a sacrificial foil.
Yes.
So if you hit the bottom
Yeah, they'll rip off.
hard, these will rip off.
Yeah.
Cosmetically, they don't look
Yeah.
the shoe,
Yeah.
and it's say this keel is a two-piece,
Yeah, okay.
so that's hollow. Yeah, so these can fill up with water. You got to be careful.
Yeah, okay.
And then this part here is solid, just to
It
take.
shouldn't fill up with water if it's sealed properly, I guess.
So if you're sitting on a beach
Yeah.
or you're sitting in the mud,
Yeah.
this part of it's taking the weight, and then it's all hollow.
It's hollow.
So if that join there fails anywhere, these can actually fill up with water. You've seen it before.
Yeah.
Okay, so it doesn't hurt to, every time you're out, just grab a little hammer and just,
Make sure that sounds fine.
yeah, not like a 24-gallon
Yeah,
drum,
I
you know.
understand.
Yeah.
Not
So that sounds good to me. Okay.
Yeah.
But it doesn't look too bad.
Yeah.
These cowlings and these skin fittings, you can also coat them with prop speed.
Yeah.
See, they're just a bronze.
Yeah.
There's no protection on them. Inside, they should be bonded
Yeah.
to an anode, to one of the anodes, but long term, best to put prop speed on these.
Yeah.
It takes all of the.
Yeah, it takes a...
leak.
Oh, okay. So what is that machine doing?
It's an impedance meter. So these two pads here are reading through the laminate into the substrate, and we spread it for moisture return. So it's a balsa core.
Yes,
Balsa gets wet,
yes.
turns like wetness.
Okay, yes. Like cupboards,
Wet
old cupboards
Like
that get wet.
cardboard.
Yes.
And I've seen it before many times. Might struggle to keep up with doing this, but FR is France,
Yep.
Fontaine Peugeot is FPA, 59090. So that's typically the model number and the date, the number it's popped out of the mould. So
Ah,
it
yep.
could be number 59 out of the mould.
Yeah.
D
In
is-
September? No.
D is
Yeah.
the month, so
Oh, yep.
A, B, C, D. So it's April 0 is 20. 20. So it's a
Yeah.
2020 build,
Cool.
2020 model.
Okay.
France. Yep.
And the DFP,
FPA.
the bottom one?
That one. That's
Yeah.
just another constructor's
Structures, okay.
mark.
Yep.
Pretty much exactly the same without
Yep.
the French
FR.
stuff.
Yep. Okay.
Probably a yard.
Yep. Okay. Interesting. Ship floats. Yeah. That's okay. It's just going over to the other side.